There are two types of strop, but the better one for kitchen knives is a paddle strop. This is a piece of leather stuck to a piece of wood, like the one you see here. And the other type of strop is a hanging strop, which is more like a leather belt and more appropriate for cutthroat razors. So I'm going to show you how to make an abrasive paste to go on one side of this strop so that it can be used for sharpening, and then the other side, which also has leather on, will be left as plain leather, and that side can be used for stropping. So to make the paste, we use baby oil. Pour a little bit of that into the dish. I'll just put my finger in this powder, which is chromium oxide. Chromium oxide powder has a 0.5 micron particle sizes and is an abrasive powder that you can mix with baby oil to make this paste. You don't need very much, and the way you add it to the strop is with crosses, just like this. There's only a tiny amount you need. There. After this, I will rub the paste around to get a more even distribution. You should still be able to see the colour of the leather, it shouldn't be all green. And you want to get it to go to the edge so that all of the blade is sharpened. Okay, so there you have your pasted strop.